My name's Trevor Rauch. I'm a biology major. I chose to come to OC because when I was visiting the campus as a high schooler, I saw how much the faculty and staff cared about me. I'm a biology major. You're doing a bunch of teamwork and then you get to go to labs. I just really like how interactive the classes are. I think the biggest thing I love about OC is just the people. I feel very cared about and very known here. We have a lot of different activities on this campus that you can get involved with through clubs. It's like intramural sports. I get to be involved in homecoming. I do spring sing. So there's just a lot of different areas on campus that I can be involved in. And so since coming to OC, I've just been able to share my faith with a lot of people and have their faith shared with me. And I just have a whole lot better understanding of God and His vision through getting to experience it through other people. I know OC was the right place for me. Just from when I walk around this campus, there's not a single spot on campus where I don't look and have some funny memory. I can walk by the Bible building and think of a time I was up late in that building with my friends. Every spot on campus has a story to me, and that really makes it feel like home. If you just come here for a day, you'll see how much you're cared about.